Hi viewers, it's nice to see you again in this channel, and I hope all of you are fine today. In episode 30, I would like to explain a pattern of blah blah blah, not any, and no blah blah blah. Do you want to know what it is? Let's see its explanation on the next screen. Mari kita lihat bersama-sama di layar ini. Topik kita kali ini adalah not titik-titik any sama dengan no titik-titik. Frase not titik-titik any dan no titik-titik digunakan dalam pernyataan atau kalimat negatif bahasa Inggris. Perhatikan pernyataan berikut. Nomor 1. I do not have any money sama dengan I have no money. 2. I did not see anybody sama dengan I saw nobody. 3. I do not love you anymore sama dengan I love you no more. 4. I'm not doing anything now sama dengan I'm doing nothing now. 5. I will not smoke anymore sama dengan I will smoke no more. Setelah kita perhatikan, maka dapat kita simpulkan bahwa not any menggunakan pola negatif, sedangkan no menggunakan pola positif, namun tidak merubah makna, yaitu makna negatif. Contoh 1. She does not live here anymore sama dengan she lives here no more. Simple present. Artinya sama, dia tidak tinggal di sini lagi. Nomor 2. He is not a policeman anymore sama dengan he is a policeman no more. Simple present. Maknanya dia bukan seorang polisi lagi. Nomor 3. Sorry, I cannot give you anything sama dengan sorry, I can give you nothing. Modal verb, maknanya maaf, saya tidak dapat memberi kamu sesuatu. Now we go on practice. We write the following sentences using not any or no. Number 1. She did not say anything to me when I met her just now. Simple past tense. So, what is another form of number 1? It's alright. She said nothing to me when I met her just now. Number 2. They understand nothing in English. What is another form of number 2? Simple present. It's okay. They do not understand anything in English. Number 3. I did not do anything when you called me last night. Simple past tense. What is another form of number 3? Alright. I did nothing when you called me last night. Number 4. We have not eaten anything since this morning. Present perfect tense. What's another form of number 4? Alright. We have eaten nothing since this morning. Number 5. I want to go nowhere today. Simple present tense. What's another form of number 5? It's alright. I do not want to go anywhere today. Number 6. People may not stay in crowd anymore during COVID-19 pandemic. Modal verb. What's another form of number 6? It's alright. People may stay in crowd no more during COVID-19 pandemic. Number 7. She's beautiful no more. Simple present tense. What's another form of number 7? It's alright, she's not beautiful anymore. Number 8. They are not doing anything in front of me. Present continuous tense. What's another form of number 8? It's alright. They are doing nothing in front of me. Number 9. Children have never watched television anymore. Present perfect tense. So what's another form of number 9? Alright. Children have watched television no more. Number 10. This market is not crowded anymore now. What's another form of number 10? It's alright. This market is crowded no more now. Well, viewers, I think that's the explanation of the pattern of not, any, and no. And I hope you understand it well. And you can use it for your real English speaking. Thank you very much for your attention and see you on the next episode.